It is our goal today to show you two applications that will allow you to receive money without having to do any effort at all. Furthermore, this isn't going to be a tiny chunk of money either. When I say large payments, I'm referring to large payments that come through. This will allow you to make up to $1,500 in commissions, which will be paid directly to your PayPal. All you need is a smartphone or computer connected to the internet to get started. You don't have to pay anything to begin earning money using this strategy. You can use it for free. Nothing more than opening or downloading the two apps and then collecting your money is required. It's really that easy. This app is accessible from any location on the planet, regardless of the time or date. So don't be worried if you live in a remote area. We are convinced that these two apps will meet your requirements. Make sure that you don't skip anything so you don't get lost in today's strategy and forget about important things. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. The first website that I'll be introducing to you is called userfeel.com. Type in this to your internet's browser and click enter. You'll be directed to the site's homepage. Userfeel is a company established in the United Kingdom and Germany that specializes in application and website optimization, a website testing platform that allows you to earn money on the side by performing tests on the websites of their business partners, and their job is to imagine a given scenario and perform certain tasks like finding a product in an online store and going through the checkout process. This helps site owners find and fix usability issues. And what I find great about this company, besides finding and fixing issues, is that no subscription or monthly fees are required to be able to use this. You get more additional data from their panel of high-quality testers without having to pay for a subscription from $60 for each test. As you can see, it's incredible to believe that there are more than 150,000 certified testers on this website. This is why you can expect to receive your user test findings within 24 hours. Moreover, they have the option to select demographics such as age and gender, as well as location, language, and level of web expertise. They also provide screener questions that allow you to be more specific with your needs in order to assure that you will receive feedback. Now, when problems are discovered, they are categorized and put into a highlights video to show the concerns in detail or as visual representation. This organization is going above and beyond to meet the needs of their customers. As a result, they have over 500 satisfied customers. As you continue to browse the page, you will come across this comparison table which compares user feel to other user testing tools. You will also find a variety of client testimonials as well as illustrations of what and how user testings are carried out using their products. Now, you might be having a lot of questions in your mind right now. What I want you to do so that you will be enlightened just for a little bit is to go to the frequently asked questions section here on this website. Click on this FAQ button right here on the top and you will be sent to this new page with a lot of questions that you might be thinking or asking the company. The first thing that will show up on your screen is that there will be a sample video of the things that clients are looking for in a tester. I suggest that you should watch it to know more better. Another thing is that once you have become a tester, you will earn $10 for each test via PayPal or Amazon gift cards. Now, each test lasts 10 to 20 minutes and is completed with your Windows or Mac computer that has good microphone. As you browse further the page, you will see below a list of qualifications needed to become a tester. Before applying, please make sure you properly read and understand this information, because if you don't get paid, you'll have wasted your time and money. Also, aspiring testers should be aware that they would be required to take a qualification exam. Now, each tester must undergo a free qualification test to prove that they have a microphone and can express their thoughts while doing tasks, which is the first step in the testing process. Testers are given their first rating based on the results of their qualification test, which determines whether or not they will be hired to conduct paid usability tests. The better you do, the more tasks you will get. No one knows how many tasks you will get. And you might get 5 today or not at all for a year. To get started, I want you to click on this Create User Test button located on the upper right side of the web page. You will be sent to a new page that contains a form that you are required to fill out. You must first put in your first name and your last name, your job title, business use case, and you will also be asked to input your email address and password. You should accept the company's terms and conditions by checking the box right here and then click the Sign Up as a Client button. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. The next platform that I'll be introducing to you right now is called Money App. MoneyApp.org claims to be able to deliver complete, straightforward transactions while also earning money. This app is available for download on both Android and Apple mobile devices. It's as simple as going to your Play Store or App Store and installing it. Now, how does the application work? You earn points by doing as many tasks as you can while on the Hot Offers page. The tasks here are varied and involve things like watching movies, sharing and completing surveys, among other things. The Hot Offers should be your first stop because they are updated frequently and they are offered a substantial amount of credit to you. It is possible to pay out when your credit balance in the top right corner of the screen has reached a certain amount. By going to the payout page and inquiring about having a payout delivered to your PayPal account, you can accomplish your goal. However, please keep in mind that rewards take around 48 hours to reach your account. When the payout is complete, you will receive an email from them, and following that, you may sit back and enjoy your money. You can see that it has 4.9 out of 5 star rating in the App Store, which is excellent and indicates that the application itself is fantastic. Because this is the most widely used rewards app, you can earn money every day by doing simple tasks on the app. When the money is spent, it can be used to purchase products because it's real money, not vouchers. In fact, it's the coolest reward program since you can earn money for almost everything, including accomplishing little tasks and expressing views, going shopping, trying out jobs, and participating in free trials. On a regular basis, new tasks are being introduced. There will never be a time when you run out of money-making options. This gives you the flexibility to do it whenever you want and to devote as much as little time as you want to. You will not have to accomplish any challenging activities, and it will be fun and simple approach to increase your money. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.